Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be decorating a vignette with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So now this video is part of a collaboration and it's called Keep It Simple Sunday, and that's hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY. Now the co-host of this collab is Rustic and Lace DIY. Description box. I'm also going to be listing the playlist, so make sure before you watch the video, subscribe to our channels, make sure and click that like button and comment below, and then head on over to that playlist so that we can watch how everybody keeps a simple Sunday. So jumping into the video, what I decided to do here is decorate a little sign to place in my vignette, and we're doing it with a touch of vintage. That little heart aside to dry after I color. And now what I'm going to do is montage that cardstock over to one of those wood planks that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Remember that I'm going to place Mod Podge on a piece of wood first. We're going to lay the cardstock and then we're going to go ahead and seal that in. So what I decided to do here while that Mod Podge is drying is make a jute twine bow and then add one of the pearls in the center. this heart to that plank, and then we're just going to leave it sit until everything is fully dry, and then we'll be almost done with the sign. What I did here is I used one of the wood cut-outs. This one is in the shape of a flower, and then I used it as a stand for that wooden plank to make my sign, and this came out absolutely beautiful. So look at this. I think this came out so cute. I think we should move on over and start decorating the vignette. Now here I started out with a pink tablecloth, and then I decided to use a gold wire basket that the Dollar Tree sells. That's going to be our tray. And then since I had this garland of roses, I thought that would give it a beautiful touch. Since I was giving this a touch of vintage, I decided to get that mirror from my room, and then I decided to decorate with a lot of hearts around the vignette. It's so beautiful. we're gonna head on over to the reveal. So now I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. So I really hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.